Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Now we are here at the showroom of Royal Ocean Crest, Panglao. So this is the showroom, guys. It's a residential condominium located in Panglao Island, Bohol, Philippines. So this is the surroundings of the showroom. So you can see the pictures outside, guys. So you can see the overview of the condominium. So it's a mid-rise condominium. Mid-rise. It cannot be high-rise because of the airport. There's a restriction. So mid-rise, more probably. So nasa around 29 to 30 floors. So these are the. So I'm not specific sa kuan guys sa height, but I know it's really high po. It's a mid-rise, no. So again, this is residential condominium, walking distance to the white sand beaches in Panglao Island. Then mostly foreigners can own, and also those Filipinos who are really uh, wants to have a condominium, no? Gusto nila ng condominium. Kasi yung condominium, guys, is really exclusive, fully with security, 24/7 security. Then wala ka ng problema, no, sa loob, kasi hindi ka talaga basta-basta makapasok pag uh, if you have a unit there, then there's someone will enter in the area. It's really very exclusive. You cannot just easily. So meaning it's really an exclusive. So this is the uh, 5 buildings, no, located in Barangay Dawis, Bohol, in Panglao Island. Then it has so many amenities like swimming pool, kiddie pool, gardens, jogging uh, area, fitness gym, so many, no. This is the floor plan. It is at 30 square meters with balcony. So it has a balcony, guys. Then it is developed by a Primary Homes, the most trusted developer. So matagal na to nga developer sa Visayas, guys. So you can trust with them, no. So this is the model unit. Then there's someone also have a site inspection. So this is the model unit. Then we proceed to the deliverable unit, guys. So same. So ito talaga ang ma-deliver, no, sa CR, ganyan na, no. Yan po, may CR na. And ito may kitchen sink na, kulang ng mga countertops, may cabinet. Pero okay na yan, no. Mag-add ka na lang ng kaunti, more or less, let's say 50,000, maybe you can already move in, no. So from this condominium, guys, there are also, because right now in the Dao area, so this is the balcony, no. So wing back the Dao area, no, the 5 buildings still under construction. So under construction, guys. So wing back to the Nilakaw naman. So this is the model unit. So maganda ang kuan, kasi wala nang hassle, no. Wala nang problema, bayad ka na lang. So there's no problem with the buildings. Then you can trust the developers that it's really a good building, no. hindi substandard, not a substandard. Now we proceeded to another condominium which is located in Barangay San Isidro, Dawis in Panglao Island. It is ready for occupancy. So it is just walking distance to the beach, guys. So we cannot just enter because it's already hapon na. Medyo hapon na, guys. So yan po, may ready for occupancy dyan. Kung gusto nating kumuha, 6 months equity lang. 6 months equity. Yan po. So, hindi na lang tayo pumasok kasi hindi tayo naka-ask ng permission sa office kasi hapon na ba. Yung medyo alanganin na sa oras, no? Pero we can still schedule for a site inspection if you really wanted to buy this ready for occupancy. So, the price range is 3.1. There is one unit with 3.1 million pesos. Then, the rest are 3.4 million pesos. So, these are all ready for occupancy. Then, we just turn a little going to the beach to show that it is really walking to the beach. So, actually, it's very nice, no? You can walk along the beach. Pwede naman, no? Kahit yung unit mo nandyan sa loob, or if you are in the mid unit, you can still walk. There's a garden, there's a swimming pool, so you can turn around like them, no? They are just walking. So you can see the condominium. It's really walking distance to the beach, no? It's really walking distance. So malapit na malapit lang, guys. It's really very close, no? Actually, guys, this portion of this location of beach property is facing Pamilacan Island. So you can have a diving, you can go to diving, or you can go to Pamilacan Island. So the Virgin Island is on the other side, which was the controversial, no? Katong yung sobrang mahal yung ano nila, yung binibenta nila ng mga foods or pagkain. Kaya nag-close na. I-close ni government. So, yun po. Ito po, pwede kayo libre to, maligo kayo dito, galing kayo sa condominium mo, or paggabi dito ka mag-chill-chill ka dito. So, you can go here, no? So, very nice. Very nice, no? So, going back to, we will go to the under construction. So, naka-construction pa yung 5 buildings, no? So, these 5 buildings has medyo mataas pa ang equity, no? May 18 months, may 30 months at 40 months. The price range is ranging from 3.7 million pesos. So, ito po yung daanan, papunta tayo sa bee farm. Bee farm. So, ito po yun sa likuran, no? Kasi dalawang daanan to, guys, papuntang Flushing Meadows at ito ay papuntang bee farm. I'm not sure kung makapasok ba tayo sa beach doon sa bee farm, no? O sa mga katabi. Pero yung sa Flushing Meadows, mayroon talagang libre, no? It's open beach. Still facing to the island, no? What I said, the Pamilacan Island. So, you can see, guys, no? I think this is the 18 months equity kasi nandiyan na. It's already developed, no? But not yet finished. So, ito po yon. Yung primary homes talaga, guys, kung kukuha tayo ng unit, tatapusin talaga yan. So huwag tayo basta-basta kumuha ng mga unit or developers na hindi sila yung walang track records, no? So ito po yun. So very nice, no? As for me, this is the 18 months equity. So malapit na to, guys. Malapit na siya matapos, no? That's 18 months equity. We're still outside of the outside of the vicinity, no? Outside of the area. Then we proceeded to the other side, which is the Flossing Meadows area, no? Just walking distance pa rin to the beach, guys. So, if you are a foreigner or other nationality, no, or foreigner, so let's say foreigner, so you can buy condominium. So, it's allowed by law. So, you can buy the condominium, the 30 square meters for your vacation area. So, it's really very nice, no? Very nice place to have a vacation area than renting. Kasi iba talaga pag mag-rent ka, hindi naman mapasayo. At gusto mo sa Panglao, kukuha ka na lang ng unit. So, para wala ng rent. Yung babayaran mo is the condominium dues na lang, which is very, very affordable. So, usually guys, yung condominium dues ranging lang ng 60 to 100 pesos per square meter. So, kung 30 square meters man yan, medyo maliit lang. Per month man yan. So, kaysa mag-rent kayo ng matagal, mag-rent kayo ng araw-araw. So, mahirap guys. So, ito po yung other side, no. So, nakatayo na rin yung iba, no. May 40 months, 30 months, at saka 40 months equity. So, yan, very nice po yan talaga, no. Makabili tayo ng unit. So, again, it's 20% equity or down payment ranging from 18, 30 to 40 months. So, yan po, no. So, this is the road going to the beach. So, approximately guys, nandyan talaga yan sa 300 meters. Pero hindi yan malayo, no? 300 meters lang yan Pero nagdala man tayo ng motorcycle, so madali lang. Pero kung kayo, makabili kayo ng ganyan, exercise na lang, walking ka na lang, going to the beach. So, very nice to have this unit, no? Again, there is already for occupancy for 3.1. There is one available, 3.1, and there is also 3.4. So, million pesos ready for occupancy. Then, if you want installments, yung 6 months equity, may down payment pa rin ng 6 months equity, then bank financing. Then this one is 18 months, 30 months, and 40 months equity. So, yung equity is the down payment. Reservation fee is 30,000 pesos. So, with balcony nito guys. But, I tell you, no, wala ng sea view. Kadalasan, sunset view nasa likuran. Pero don't worry because there is also a rooftop or view deck, no. Pero pwede ka naman maglakad dito. So maganda, no. Yan. May may flashing yung hindi naman natin kasali yung flashing, pero yun, no. Yan na po, may nag-chill-chill diyan. Dito kayo magpahangin. Pero kung gusto mo ng mga buhangin na super ganda, doon tayo sa Alona Beach, may sa Momo Beach, no. Marami dito ang lapad ng yung sa Amarilla, yun po. Yun ang malapad na white sand beach talaga. Ito medyo pero maganda pa rin. So nandun sa Alona Beach, just few minutes drive lang po. So pero ito may maraming tao dito guys, sila. Hindi masyado develop ang beach, pero yun po, may resort dyan, yung Flossing Meadows, dinidevelop nila, no. Yun po, see, pwede libre ligo dyan, libre, walang problema, no. Ligo ka lang dyan, super libre yan, okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. Again, thank you very much, and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.